That's it. One foot and then the other. Oh, you stuck? One foot. There you go.
Keep going. And back it up. Put one foot and the other.
There you go. Keep pushing with the other foot.
Keep going the other. Up. Look what happened.
You coming back here? There you go. There. Give him a little push. Just a little one. There. Okay. That's good. That's good. Nope. Keep pushing with one foot. Okay, no, you're gonna fall. Look ahead. Okay, put your foot on. You're going backwards. One foot and then the other. Oh, are you done? No, not done? You gonna come to me? Careful. No. No, Spencer.
He was trying to get on the bike. Hello, what else was he doing?
Okay, push with your foot. Push with your foot. Push with your foot. Spencer, come to me. Yeah. Do you want Elizabeth to give you a push? Put your foot on. Straighten your wheels up. Elizabeth, it's harder to go when he's crooked. Can you straighten his wheels up? There. He's trying to go uphill. Push him up over the hill a bit. Hang on.
Hang on. You hanging on?
There. There you go. One foot and then the other.
Put one foot and the other.
You're pretty good at going backwards.
Put one foot and the
Push with the other foot. Push with one foot. There you go. And then push with the other. Are you stuck? There. Okay, put your feet back on. No. How come? You're gonna hit me! Say hi. Ow. Are you ready to go in? Are you ready to go inside? Do you want to go inside? You want to what? You want to ride your bike? Can you say ride bike?
Say,
you're going backwards.
Say bike.